shipping changes.
Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome into the RockstarFlipper YouTube channel. It's June 3rd, 2019. I did post a video earlier about summer sales and summer slowdown to beat it. If you didn't see it, check it out. I'll link it below, but it was really important that I came to you guys and told you a little bit about this eBay sales tax update. I'm gonna go ahead and flip open my computer because I have it saved right here on the MacBook on the Safari here. And if you're not familiar with the new sales tax laws from the Supreme Court for 2019, the platforms, eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, and this goes for definitely eBay and Amazon, the other platforms, not 100% sure. They are supposed to collect sales tax for you in every state and send it to the state. You are not supposed to have to do it, including your own state. Now, they're all slowly being implemented. So if you order or you sell something to somebody in your state and you don't see that eBay collected the sales tax, there'll be a little line under the sales order that says sales tax collected. The money's not going to your PayPal, it's going directly to the state. You don't have to worry about it. If you don't see that, then that means eBay hasn't started with your state yet, and you have to collect it and pay it yourself as usual. If eBay has started collecting and paying it for you, you don't have to. Now, there are some states that require that you still fill out the paperwork, you tell them how much it was, you tell them that eBay paid it on your behalf for the platform, and then you just won't be responsible to send them the money, you're just gonna have to send them the report. And of course, if you sold something locally or at a flea market or outside of that, then you might have, you know, some of your sales tax eBay collected and paid from the platform, and your own local stuff you collected and sent in. So then you'd fill out that 300 was owed, eBay paid 2, you owe 100, and here's your part of it for what you did. So keep that in mind. Some states require that. Florida is one of those states. I don't know about each of your other states. Check with the CPA, check with your Department of Revenue. Okay, so like I said, some of the states have started, some of them have not. And I want to give you dates. January 1st, Washington, that was 2018, last year, Washington State has already been collecting. Excuse this camera, it looks a little awkwardly angled. I'm not sure what happened. Pennsylvania should have been collecting as of April of 18. Oklahoma, Minnesota, also in 18. As of February of 19, Iowa, Connecticut, and South Carolina. March, South Dakota, Jersey, DC, New York, Idaho, Nebraska, all by June 1st. All those states should be in. Alabama, Arkansas, Kentucky, New Mexico, Rhode Island, Virginia, West Virginia, and Wyoming, July 1st, next month. So that's the list of states and when they're supposed to update. I can tell you, looking at this list, they have not. One of them, for a good example here, is South Carolina on February 1st. I believe I've sold to South Carolina, have not seen sales tax. I will check on that, but just check these states. If it's not your state, don't worry about it. If it is your state, check and see if they've collected. If they haven't, then you need to do it. The other states, don't worry about, because as of the Supreme Court ruling, you're not supposed to be responsible. The Supreme Court says every state, every transaction is taxable, but that the platform should be doing it for you. I'm still doing it for my own state for the sake of it being my own state until they start collecting from Florida, which doesn't look anytime soon. That's kind of bad. Anyways, I'll link this below for you guys. Check it out. Please talk to a CPA. Please talk to your Department of Revenue if you don't understand this. Watch my other videos on sales tax. Search YouTube for RockstarFlipper sales tax and you'll find them. Thanks guys so much for watching. I'll link this. Check it out. Email me rockstarflipper@gmail.com if you want to ask questions, and also you can comment below. Finally, if you need help with your accounting or how to find your sales tax, how to do all of this, I have an amazing program. It's only $20. It will save your life. It will help you create spreadsheets, invoices, QuickBooks, everything you could possibly want. Check it out below. I'll link it. Consider it. It's awesome, and you guys will thank me later. If you do buy it, you can ask me step by step along the way how to do something. Thanks as always. Have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you again tomorrow.